In this video, I will show you how to download and install Glary Utilities software for Windows 11. If you want to download and install Glary Utilities without any error, watch this video till end. Firstly, you need to open any browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Then search Glary Utilities in search bar. Then press enter. Here you can see Glary Utilities. Click this link. When you click this link, here you will find the free download option. Click this free download option. After this, you have to choose where you want to save this file. Here I am choosing download folder. After choosing download folder, you have to click save. And you can see our file has downloaded. Our file is downloading. When you press Ctrl plus J on your keyboard, you can see we have just downloaded Glary Utility software. Now it's time to install it. For installing, go where file is present. Here I am going Windows Explorer, where I can see my file. We have to open download folder. When you open download folder, here you can see Glary. Right click on it, then click open. Remember we are installing it. Then you have to click yes. After this, you have to click next. Then I agree. Then next. Then untick this option. Then click install. And you can see our software is installing. Here you will find Glary Utilities logo. After waiting for some time. And here you can see it means we have successfully downloaded it and installed it. When you click finish, Glary Utilities will be open. I hope this video helped you. If you have any query, you can ask in comment box.